Welcome to this presentation of the Inventory Transfer app for Business Central. The Inventory Transfer application will allow businesses to maintain separate dimension values for both the receipt and the shipment of a transfer order. In this demonstration, we'll look at the fields needed to configure the app. We'll look at an example of a direct transfer and an example of an indirect transfer. So I'm in Business Central. Let's take a look at the setup for the Inventory Transfer app. In the General Ledger setup, there is an area reserved for the Inventory Transfer app. If I go into Edit the General Ledger setup, the first option is to create a balancing entry. This will post an entry to the GL balancing the transaction by the global dimension code defined here. We can use Global Dimension 1 or Global Dimension 2. In this example, I'm going to use Global Dimension 1, which is the department code. I'm not going to create the balancing entry, so I'm going to leave this turned off. If I was to turn it on, the journal template name and the journal batch name would become available, and I would need to fill in a specific journal template and batch. I'd also need to set my chart of account code, for example 18201, and whether or not I want to bring the default dimensions for the account into the ledger entry. If I do, then I would just select Use Default Dimensions. But as I mentioned, in this demonstration, we're not going to be creating the balancing entry. We're just going to be looking at the entries posted to the ledger and how the receipt can differ from the shipment by Global Dimension 1. If I create a new transfer order, from the west location to the east location, I'm going to set my west department on the header. This is going to be a direct transfer. Add an item. Put a quantity in, and over here you'll see I can determine my receipt shortcut dimension, and this is going to be east. Then go up to posting, post and balance. That was posted. Now let's create an indirect transfer. It's going to be from the west to the east. Again, I'm going to set my west department up here. I'll add in my in-transit code. I'll just pick the same desk. One to ship. And I'll add in my east department on the line. Post and balance. Ship it, yep. Then I'll do the receipt, post and balance, receive. Now let's go and have a look at the general ledger entries. This first entry is the posting of the direct transfer, and you can see my shipment posting here, and then my receipt has been posted to the east department code. Now let's take a look at the indirect transfer. I can sort it by the document number, make it a little bit more easier. That's the shipment. This is the receipt. Thank you for watching this presentation of the Inventory Transfer app for Business Central. The application is now available for download via Microsoft App Source. For more information, please visit our website at https://aptitude.solutions/inventory-transfer, or you can contact us directly by telephone at 604-612-4928 or email us at pfernandez@aptitude.solutions. Thanks again. Bye-bye.